I forgot to film any of this fun stuff, but there is some of it. Some of it I vacuumed out and it's in my trash can. And that's what's left that was in my filter. And some of it's still wet even though it's been sitting all winter. And there's, I don't know if you can see in there, I don't have my flashlight with me. Let me see my flashlight. My shop vac's over here, which I used to suck out a lot of the dirt. And I don't know what I do with a flashlight. Anyway, I'll find it. Okay guys, I'm back. I found my flashlight. You can see in there. I'll rinse this out when I get done. I don't know if you can put it down there. You can see it's just a big empty hole. I gotta wash it all out. It does smell like, I'm not gonna say sewage water, but it smells like musty or creek water or mossy algae smell. Not algae, but anyway. That's what's in there. I took one load and dumped it over my fence. Well, I rolled it around the house. But I filled up part of the shop vac with the first load. And we'll see if we can, if you guys can see it over there. You see that big gray pile? Right there it is. That's the first load. And of course, it being wet, it weighs twice as much. So I vacuumed out a lot of it. And here's part of it. I finally got that load out and I was able to tip it up on end to dump the rest of this out. I'm going to let this sit here overnight and dry out. And it's just fun. There's part of it in my trash can. But it has a nasty, nasty smell to it. And then I used my shop vac over here. I wiped out my filter on my shop vac. So I'm going to find a new filter. And there's more of it in there. Very little. That's what was left at the bottom. I couldn't get to dump out, so I vacuumed the rest of that out. Anyway, so that's stage 2. Stage 3 is to put all this sand back in there, and this is the guts of the filter. This is what the water goes down through. Right now I got these little guys bent up, so they just fold down like that once I put it in there. And that's what the water flows through to filter. As it pumps it through there and pumps it back out. Don't know how, but it does. Anyway, so that's part 2 of my changing fluid on my pump. Here's my pump head. Well, it's a manifold or whatever you want to call it to switch the water for different directions and do different things. As you can see, I got on winter hybrid. I got on winter mode right now, but there's backwash. And where's my backwash at? There's the waste pump out without going through the filter. That's closed for the season. And oh, there's my backwash right there. Bottom one there is backwash. See, they got to put 5 different languages on here, so it's cheaper for them to ship it to different countries. Anyway, so that's part 2. There's probably going to be 3 parts to this. And once I get it all cleaned out, which will hopefully be by Saturday. The pool, however, is not open yet, so I'm working on that. But like I said, y'all take it easy, like and subscribe to my channel, leave me a like, comments, all that good stuff. There's my solar cover. I do not have a pump on my pool because they run about $1,500 and they rust out within 4 or 5 years. That's what I've been told. So I don't have a heater on there. I got my solar blanket there. Roll that on top of the water in about a week. If it stays hot, we'll be heated up enough I can swim in, I hope. Anyway, y'all take it easy, like, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. Talk to you later. Bye.